Alright guys, welcome back to another Adventures with Willie. So, we don't need this for this video. So let's take this over here, put it on top of the Honda. So we don't need that for this video. You guys know what video we are doing next. We're putting the motor in this son of a gun. So, you guys stay tuned. You guys are going to be a couple seconds and you guys are going to see this in the morning with the motor in it. So you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna work my booty cheeks off. It's hot outside, so as you can see, it's almost nighttime. So you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna get this busted out and we'll catch you guys in the morning. All right guys, welcome. It's the next day. As you can see, it's morning out. I'm already sweating my tushy off. We're just got to the location that we put in last time, so it's really in the boondocks. No one really can see it unless you know it's back here. So got done last night around 11 o'clock, 11:30ish. Started it up. That's all I did. So I do not know anything. I do not know if it's gonna hold, if it's gonna do anything. I threw the wiring in there because this is just a test. Make sure this gear ratio is actually going to work. As you can see, I'm sweating. So we're going to get this done, tested. And if it works, we can go full throttle on getting everything else buttoned up, fixed, ready to rock and roll. So we're going to back this into the water. We got a nice little slight breeze. So, with that being said, catch you guys all on the GoPro. yeah, she's steaming. She's steaming. She's steaming, Terry. Get her some water. Woo. Holy moly, holy moly. All right, so I think we blew her up. Oh, we blew her up. Not really. I don't think so. I think we just got that the hole in there. I think that's just our only problem. We lost quite a bit of water, but ouch! The chain's hot. The chain's hot. The chain's hot, Terry. Whoo! She's hot, and I touched it. I don't know why. So it works, but things get hot. We need to put exhaust on it because it's way too loud for what it's technically meant to be used by. So we're packing her up. We did have a successful trip with the Crotch Rocket John boat. That's right, Crotch Rocket John boat is a success. That's what, see, the bird even said it was a success. Probably wants us out of here, but so that being said, all right, so a couple problems. First things first, radiator. She's cooked. She is cooked. Watch. She is cooked. It's just water. So I mean, she's cooked. She's leaking like a sieve. Oh no, she's not. I don't know. Leaking like a sieve. So that's good. The gear ratio is okay. Definitely not what I was looking for, but it's okay. We can make it work. Yeah, we can make it work. So we gotta pull her back up. There we go. She's all tight. I don't know if you guys heard me earlier. Come on, we're trying to support this. Let's get this thing to I don't know, ridiculous amount of views, but let's get this to a couple hundred views. How about that? Go share it with your friends. Go share it with your guy that you you wonder about, because I wonder about myself all the time, because I have another idea. We're going to build another John boat, but it's not going to be no motor, nothing in the bottom. It's just going to be all up here, nothing in here, none of this. So you guys go share that, go hit the like button, go subscribe, because the next idea is way above what I can afford. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys all in the next one.
Out here on the track,